Hi all, welcome to Cost channel. My name is Kishore. This is the part 2 of the Q&A video on Python for class 11 playlist. Let's start with the first question. Python is free and open source software. What do you understand from this feature? Python is a language available for free to anybody. No need to purchase any license to download and use it. And also Python is an open source software. That means its source code is open for the modifications. Coming to second question, is Python case sensitive or insensitive? Justify your answer with an example. Python is a case sensitive language. To justify this, I am going to consider two examples. Consider the first code snippet. Here I am assigning a string cache into a variable name. Note that where n is a capital letter. And then I am using a print function with name as an input argument. Notice that where n is a lowercase letter. If I run this program, I will get a name error because here I am going to display a variable name which is having a lowercase n, but here I have a variable name with a capital N. Since Python is a case sensitive language, it will treat this name variable and this name variable both are different. So that's why we got name error, and also it is describing that the name is not defined. And coming to the second example, here I am using two variables, both are having the same name, but the first variable is starting with capital N and the second variable is starting with lowercase n. Here Python treats these two variables as different variables because that is a case sensitive language, and then I am using two print functions with both the variables. If I execute this program, because of the first print function, the string present in this first name variable will be displayed, that is cache. And because of the second print function, the string which is available with the second name variable will be displayed, that is Kishore. By considering these two examples, we can clearly say that Python is a case sensitive language which treats uppercase letters and lowercase letters as different letters. And coming to question number 3, here we have a code snippet with 5 lines. Now we need to identify the output of this. If you clearly observe the first 3 lines of this code snippet, the starting character is hash. In Python, if any line starts with a hash symbol, that will be considered as a comment line and that line will be ignored by the Python interpreter. Then automatically first 3 lines will be considered as comment lines, simply ignored by the Python interpreter, and only the last 2 lines will be considered by Python interpreter, and those are print functions. Then the first print function displays this is the second line on the first line of the monitor, and the second print function displays this is the third line on the second line of the monitor. Coming to question number 4. So what is the latest version of Python? Here I am in the official website of the Python, that is python.org. If I observe there, at the time of this video creation, the latest version of the Python is 3.10.4. Coming to the last question in this video, list out some of the IDEs we can use to work with Python. Here I have mentioned most popular 4 IDEs. The first one is idle, which is the default IDE available with Python. And the second one is VS Code. And the third one is Spider. And the fourth one is PyCharm. In addition to these, we have Atom. And also we have Jupyter Notebook, etc. Based on our requirement and convenience, we can use one of these IDEs to work with Python. So that's all guys. So this is the end of this video. I will meet you with a new video soon.